humihiling ang mga alagad, Lord, increase our faith. Dagdagan mo, patatagin mo ang aming pananampalataya. Bakit kaya ganito ang hiling ng mga alagad? Meron kasi itong background. The apostles asked for an increase in faith after Jesus taught them to forgive their brothers and sisters who sinned against them. Tinuruan ni Jesus ang mga alagad niya tungkol sa pagpapatawad, which they found difficult to obey. Kung kaya't nasabi ng mga alagad kay Jesus, humihiling sila, siguro para magawa namin ito, Panginoon, increase our faith. Pero anong sagot ni Jesus? If you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mulberry tree, be uprooted and planted in the sea, and it will obey you. In other words, sapat na ang inyong pananampalataya.